Welcome back in Dart Programming Language video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Salim. In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about data types. Let's get started. I'm going to remove this previous one and set up your main. Let's remove this arguments, and here I'm typing up multi-line comment. The first is data type is int, then we have a double, then we have integer, this string, and we have boolean. Var is also, that one we'll discuss at the end. That is not a data type, and these four actually the data types. Here I'm going to type int, then subject1, here I will give 80. Next I type here int, then subject2, just copy paste this, -0. Let's make it print. Subject1 marks is subject1, and subject2 marks is assign subject2. Let's make it save. I'm going to clear my terminal and then run. You can see here we have the output which we print out here. Subject1 marks is 80 and subject2 marks is 90. Now I'm going to make it sum, and here if I take var and total marks, subject1, then plus subject2, and here I'm going to type \n, so new line, and print total marks is total marks. Let's make it save, run again. You can see here subject1 marks is 80, subject marks is 2 is 90, the total marks is we have here 170. So here I pass the integer in my this total marks variable. If I try to update this or change the value, and if I try to pass here let's say a boolean value or a double value, it will give me error. I'm going to make here total marks is equal to, let's say 120.12, and if I try to print out, it gives us error. You can see here error of a value type error, say double count assigned to a variable type int, because here we pass an integer value to this variable. If I pass here integer value, then it will work fine. Let's give us 120. You can see here Okay, next we have double already we discussed. Let's type here double, then your keyword exit value A is equal to 99.99 and value B, but here my bad, we have to provide double 9.99 and print. I'm going to print value A plus value B. It will give us the sum of both double values. Let's make it clear. Run dot playground. Now it's giving, because the previous code also is coming. I'm going to make it comment. This comment you can make by holding command and slash. In Windows I think there is a control or maybe alt, but I'm not sure. Let's make it again clear, and I'm going to run. I have the output 109.97 and so on. Again I'm going to make it comment, and after we have string already we discussed, and boolean only true and false, like bool, and let's say here I will type mail and it's true. That's it. Print. If I print mail, it will give me true or false the value. So true. So there is 4 type of data types we discussed in this video tutorial. So easy. It's nothing is complex or rocket science here. Dart is very easy to understand. If you know any language before, like even in PHP, you can easily understand Dart language. So that's for this tutorial. See you in next one.